channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. I hope you guys all had an awesome Thanksgiving. I know I did. Now starts the diet, of course. So today I have The Box by Fashionsta. Still don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of future video. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. This box is, give or take, with shipping is like $19. So well worth it. I just love this box. It is a beauty box. I will leave the link below, and I think in the link below you might be able to save a few bucks on your first box. You open it up, very nicely packaged, and oh, I just have to read this. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy. Love. What a cute little saying. So with every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need. And there's a address and where the money goes, so that's always nice. And then the different products that are in the box. They've got some name brand and then everything that's in the box. I don't remember if we got cards before. And let's get into it. I don't know if you guys did any of the fabulous the Black Fridays or the Cyber Monday deals, but like all the beauty sites and Cratejoy and everything, they have like 30 and 40% off. I know Bath and Body Works has 40% off. So you don't even have to leave your house and you're broke. So the first thing is by Suture Beauty, and this is Rejuvenating Hair Serum. Now how great is that? I know I love getting hair products. Hair serum is formulated to give instant relief to the hair follicles immediately after heat has been applied. The serum penetrates the hair shafts and minimizes frizzing. You put this on damp hair, apply a small amount of the hair serum directly to hair. If straightening or blow drying hair, apply the serum afterwards to seal split ends and replenish the hair. Recommended to use after every heat application to hair. So let's open this up. I know this is something that I am definitely gonna try. Check out the pack. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful packaging. It's a bottle. See if I can get you out of the sun. So I am definitely, and it's paraben free. So this probably is worth the price of the box. Let's see if that's on here. Rejuvenating Hair Serum retails for $45, and it contains omega-3. So there is the price of the box right there. The next thing is Bud Naked CBD Booty Scrub. I don't know what to say. It has rejuvenates, acne fighting. It tones, rejuvenates, hydrates, heals, protects. There's no other directions on this box, so let me know what you think of this product just by its name. Wow, what a nice, you see it, a nice bottle, and there's no directions on the bottle, and it's probably going to have a seal. So yeah, it's got a seal. It smells like rose. Let me look on the card. This is very interesting. Let's check it out on the card. CBD Sugar Scrub Bud Naked is for the most natural exfoliation and skin tightening. Smooth and refines your skin with the first ever CBD infused body scrub. This sugar scrub is packed with botanicals that help exfoliate, refine, and smooth the skin. Use our sugar scrub as pre-cleanse in the shower or after you cleanse to re-up all the benefits of the CBD and clean botanicals. Made to help reduce stretch marks and aid in cellular production, as well as help combat breakouts. So it sounds like maybe you can use it on your face as well and all over your body. And this retails for $29 and I can't wait to try it. Now that's definitely a fun product. The next thing is Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. Nice packaging in all this. To use, you mist lightly over face and body, apply after cleanser and before nutrient booster, or anytime for uplifting and renewing dose of hydration. So you can use this all over your body. I do have another one that I use all over as well, and so I will put this next in line, but this looks nice. Let's see if I could smell it. It smells good. And this is the Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water, and it retails for $34. So this is definitely worth the price. The next thing is by Lorella, and I don't know what it is. It's wrapped very nicely. Let's look this up before I unwrap it. It is a lipstick. It retails for $10. When you're searching for the perfect lipstick, look no further than liquid lipsticks. They brush on as smoothly as gloss. So I will have to attempt to open it. And you know, my struggles with opening boxes is a real thing for me. And I am back, and I had to go inside to open it because they package this stuff really nice. Nothing's gonna get into it. So this is the color, and I will swatch it because this is something I know I will definitely use. And there's the color. So that's really pretty. And then the last thing is a palette. And their packaging, not only is it inside a box, but they put the packaging around it. So like nothing's gonna get into it. So I have to give them 4 cactuses for just their packaging alone. And I should have opened this when I went back indoors. So let's see what this palette looks like. It's a Midnight Garden Shadow palette. Again, the outside is just beautiful. Wow, look at those colors. This is one I'll definitely use. The brightest color is like that pink right there. That one I probably won't use, but all these other colors, they are beautiful. And the name of the colors are on the back. So yeah, this is a great palette. And let's check out and see how much this one is. Oh, sorry. I have an itch. The Midnight Garden Shadow Palette retails for $18. This palette makes it so effortlessly to travel with and yet still have your go-to shades. So there were 5 products in this box. As I said, I paid like $19. And in this particular case, I will use every single product. So the total retail value of this box is $136. I know a lot of boxes, the retail value is ridiculous. Like they'll put serums and eye creams for like $100 or $65. And although that may be true, it's not something that the normal person would probably go and buy again. So these are all, if you wanted to buy them again, are all affordable products. Sorry about the noise. We have so many people going out into the desert with their little toys that the noise is hard to control. So that was everything that was in my box. Let me know what you thought of it. If you get this box, what you think of it, if it's a box that you're thinking of getting. I think for the price, it is definitely worth it. It's up there with the Ipsies, it's up there with the BoxyCharms, but for a lot less. So as always, you guys have an awesome day and happy shopping.